Hey guys, happy July. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be planning for July, and this month we're focusing on saving money, lots of birthdays, vacation, and traveling. As usual, I've already sketched everything out with pencil. Oh, there's some surprise pages back there, but basically July is going to be crazy, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So for this month, I kind of wanted to do like a retro-ish theme with Polaroids and stuff like that, just because I want to focus on making a lot of memories and documenting everything in my life. And yeah, also because I have like so much going on this month, I want to be able to face it head on and be positive about it. So I figured all the colors and stuff would help me feel more motivated to actually do stuff that I have to do. So for the monthly spread, I wanted to keep it pretty simple and color coordinate everything, still keeping everything pretty organized. Like I said, I really wanted to save money this month and figure out my expenses because we are moving very soon. So I wanted to create a budget sheet and a no spending chart, so that way I am trying to see how much I'm actually spending every day and trying to see if I can go a few days without spending any kind of money at all. For this month's budget, I really wanted to lay out all of my expenses and bills that we have to pay and my debts, especially since we are moving. There's a lot of stuff that we have to save up for and school, so there's just a lot going on, but it's all good. And I didn't like how I wrote this, so I just took some washi tape and covered it. For the habit tracker, I have similar habits from last month that I want to implement into this month. It's just really about health and everything. I also want to start reading a lot more since I'll have a little more spare time during my vacation. And I also created a daily gratitude page because I think it's super important to be thankful. Sometimes we forget in the moment the things that we have and all that stuff, so I wanted to take some time each day to write something out. I went back to the monthly spread and I added some random doodles that I'm slowly learning how to do. For the weekly spread, I wanted to try like a new layout that I found off of Pinterest, and I want to see if this actually helps me be more productive. I like that it's not perfect. My handwriting's slowly getting better, I guess. But yeah. And then the last page I wanted to create was a packing page because I am going on vacation with my family. We're going to the Bahamas. I'm going on my first cruise. Pretty exciting. So I wanted to create a really cute page where I have my packing list because I love making lists. And yeah, it's looking real cute. So but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys like these kinds of plan with me videos, shoot me a comment down below. Check out my podcast. We talk about life and all sorts of fun things. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.